Byron Katie teaches a method of self-inquiry known as the work, which allows you to access the wisdom that lives within. It is highly effective in getting behind what you are thinking and believing so that the noble truth of pain and suffering becomes no more than a freeing experience. The work is a simple practice and can even be done by children to create a space of freedom that is surrounded by understanding, compassion, and peace. When thinking or believing a stressful thought, bring it out of the mind and into the world, onto paper where it belongs. Meditate on the belief with these 4 questions. 1. Is it true? The only appropriate answer is a yes or a no. 2. Can I absolutely know that it's true? Again, the only appropriate answer is a yes or a no. 3. How do I react? What happens when I believe that thought? And 4. Who would I be without the thought? After meditating on each question, find turnarounds to the original thought. For example, he lied to me becomes he didn't lie to me. He told me the truth. I lied to him. I lied to me. Try on each turnaround, noticing what is true as or truer than the original thought. Notice the profound perspective gained